Can you try and do a really, really long? Oh, yeah. I should, instead of like being so like forceful with it, I should just try to stretch it out. Elijah, you don't you have somewhere to go? Thanks, Lewis. Romy's in the house. Okay, dudes. Listen up. Shoe Shark, how about you come back as somebody else tonight? Let's work your magic, buddy. I like it better when I drink it out of the can, but I'm afraid to show the can. See, that's the account you need to be on. That's the one. Okay. Oh, I have one actually. I do have one. Good thinking, Lincoln. I know. You just caught me at, one of those times. Shoe Shark. Shoozy. A shoozy! That's right. I'm good. How are you? Cheers. Cheers. Oh, I forgot Alex. Alec. Again. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, it's only $10. Is that? I hope that's not too much. Like, I mean, I feel like it's kind of low. It was 5, but I don't know. I upped it $5 because of some stuff that might be happening soon, and I just felt like if one day if I start getting a lot of orders, I'd want them to be 10 and not 5. Okay. I try to make them 2 to 3 minutes long. I try to make them like 3 minutes. 2 minutes. I try to make them 2 minutes. But good night, Marty. Much love. Aw, I'm so glad I made you smile tonight. You can message me later. The price is justified. Thank you, Leon. Thank you, Elisha. Thank you, Jean. Well, I don't know. When you get a Cameo, right? It's kind of like you get a script of like stuff that they kind of want you to say or mention or talk about or congratulate the person on. So, like, I say what I want to say, I talk about what I want to talk about, and then I throw a few burps in there and I try to make it at least 2 minutes. But sometimes, what is going on? But sometimes I'm just like if somebody just wants like 2 minutes of burps, just say so in your description, like I will do that. Like, I don't care. But everyone's just like, hey, can you burp on this person? And I love that. Like, happy birthday, Brenda, Sharon, Paul, Henry, who the fuck ever. I love doing that shit. I don't care about that. But I'm just wondering, like, why people aren't, like, buying a $10 Cameo and just being like, hey, can I get, like, 2 minutes of closed mouth burps? Or you can make it private. It won't pop up on my profile. I make most of mine private anyway, so nobody can see them on my profile, my Cameo profile. Ever burp farted? I wish. I would implode. You know what I mean? Did you know you show up on gift notes when I send people money on what does that mean, Leon? Can you describe that a little more for me? Get like when you send someone a PayPal and you can add a GIF as like a funny little message or whatever. I'm on there. I'm on there. No, I'm not. Why would I be on there? Or you just see my name pop up? I'm so confused. I typed in burp and you show up on PayPal. Sweet. Oh, I think I know why. Because my name on there used to be. Wait, no, that doesn't make sense either. Because it was Katie and Kimmy. Well, that was very weird. She was my nemesis. Okay, amazing. How much more attention do you want? Can I join you? Ooh, Johnny. Well, I got to go. Thank you, Anthony. Aw. Okay then. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Are you Tony? Are you Tony? Are you the dude I talked to the other night that were like, his background said trying to make me laugh or something? Because I put that video on my YouTube channel. You're like literally on my YouTube channel. Anthony. No, I think that guy had like 1 million followers. How do you burp? I don't know. I'm just at it. Not today, pal. Thank you. Anthony. We'll meet again one day. You guys are losers. You already know each other. Freaking sickos. You sicko. Elijah, I thought you had somewhere to be. Did you get the views and stuff you needed for YouTube? I'm 50 hours away. But I think YouTube is having a little bit of hard time processing it because now it has this little exclamation point next to it, and it's like these numbers are gonna be updated within the next week. Kimbers is my #1 fan. You have fans? That doesn't sound right. That doesn't sound right at all. When did you learn to burp? I was a little girl. One more carbonation burp? I'm drinking White Claw, homie. Oh, well, hopefully soon then. Guys. Oh, well, there's only. Okay, who's here? You know what? I've been trying not to say something. Oh, Shoe Shark's here. I definitely can't say anything. And who the hell is Dark Circle? I definitely can't say anything. Never mind. Shotgun one? I could, but I'm not going to. No, I'm gonna get my own brand deal. Okay. I feel like I had to burp someone's name, but I fucked that up. Thanks, guys. America. No way I pop up on Giphy. Can you go do it and take a screenshot and send it to me? Guys, I'm a GIF now. I fucking made it. I've been a meme too for the radio station that I was like broke the world record on. I'm a meme on that station too. Oh, well, I'll figure it out. Thanks, Leon. That's freaking hilarious. What picture is it? I'm wondering what it even looks like. What is it? I'm so scared. And a bobblehead. Hell yeah, a pop figure. It's more than a bobblehead. Actually, it would be way cooler if it was a bobblehead. A burping bobblehead. I do! Kimycola. Kimycola. And follow me on YouTube, too. Let's crush it over there on YouTube. Shoeshart loves to... Shoeshart, you don't even comment on my YouTube channel. Ha. That's what I meant. Sorry. It would be way cooler if it was a bobblehead. Let's answer like another call and we'll figure it out. I have 200. Ew, you are gross, Shoeshart. Why do you do that? I will. I just saw it pop up. Thanks. I'm definitely going to check that out. Because if that's true, then I got something to do. I'm preparing for the TikTok ban. No, you've had those 200 accounts. Well, then why aren't you using them to watch my videos? You call yourself my #1 fan? You're not my #1 fan. I'm not your #1 fan. He won't even watch my videos with his 200 YouTube accounts. No, you're not. I don't have a president. I run this motherfucker till the wheels fall off. #1 fanboy, #1 simp. How do you burp on command? I don't know, honey. I just be the badass bitch.
Kimmy!
What are you doing?
Kimmy, you know what you've never done?
What?
Have you ever burped my name?
I think so.
I don't think so. Do you
Should I
guys
do it?
know the
And I'll
world
tag you.
record? The world record for a woman burper? This is the world record, Guinness Book of World Record holder for women's burping, and she has
Yeah.
No, I'm legit, dude. I'm not lying.
I'm gonna challenge you to that one day. One day. I'm gonna.
Oh wait, you better hold it up.
Oh no, I'm a good contender.
Kimmy, you got a challenger.
I'm a good contender.
Let's see. Okay. Hey, you should burp on TikTok then.
No, Jeff, she did. Dude, legit, she did. She got it. She's got all kinds of fucking videos, bro.
Oh, good.
I've known Kimmy for a while.
I better follow the burping girl.
I followed her.
Yeah, girl.
You can say your name all.
Okay.
Oh,
Thanks,
my name.
Followed. I want to see what reaction is. Come
Oh,
on,
I will.
do it.
Oh, Danny's waiting for me? Oh, shit. All right.
She's getting ready. She's preparing.
It's White Claw.
Kathy's lit. Yeah, it is.
Is that Sprite?
It's White Claw.
It's White Claw!
My next guess was baking soda.
All right, we have to be quiet. We have to be quiet so Kimmy can perform.
Oh, you put me
Kimmy
on the spot. You put me on the spot.
I put you right on the spot, lady.
With peanut.
Oh, that was a little saucy.
I could do a really good one. Oh! Kathy coming in with that. Okay, Kathy.
Okay.
She ended it.
Huh?
Sure, you know you like that. What's happening right now? I'm no longer the burp queen.
Kimmy, you might got some competition right now, Mama.
You're gonna have to send me. You're gonna have to send me that plaque.
Sorry, girl.
No, Danny, listen, I will be there. Are we going there? I was trying to do 1 things and 5s, but then Kimmy came aboard, and I was hanging out with people, and I was
Oh,
like,
sorry.
dude,
Do you need me to
listen,
go
no,
over
I
there?
want. No, Kimmy, shut the fuck up.
Trying to hang out with your real friends.
Just shut up, lady. You know that's not true.
Okay, Shoe Shirt and Dark Circle, homies.
I am Odin's father.
You're Odin's papa? Wait, who?
No.
Shoe Shirt?
Oh,
You're not my papa. You're not my fucking papa. What the fuck? What the fuck?
That's one of my haters. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you better tell Shoe Shirt to fucking get a job. This motherfucker's wrong.
Hey, if you mute him, he'll keep coming back. It's actually kind of funny.
Alright, well, we'll just see how it goes. You know what I'm saying? Like, push the fucking finger buttons.
I'm Odin's papa.
How do you do that?
How we do it? Strawberries. Hey, baby.
Yeah! Touch that taint! Touch that taint, Kimmy!
Dang, bro.
That's
Like,
so
there's a
lady.
moment where the back of that hits the tank. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah,
natural
sometimes
one.
it does.
We don't want it to get that far.
They're monsters.
No, I do. Listen, you ever poop on yourself?
Oh,
I don't.
let
I
me
don't.
tell you.
Maybe I do. All right, so I do. No, I never have. Yes, nope, no, I have not. I'm being factual. Never. What?
You did when you were a baby.
You did when you were a baby, definitely.
It hits like what?
You pooped on your balls.
Like what do you mean I pooped on my balls? Did you just say that?
No, like real thing. You did.
Wait,
Over.
did you? I did it on live stream one day.
I fucking hope not. You're on the wrong website, my
You're
guy.
confusing me right now because I think I just shit on my own balls on live. Maybe.
When you were a baby.
Yes, Mom was so mad. She's like, I hate you so much. I wish you were never born. I was like, I'm sorry, Jerry.
Not again.
You know what I mean? Yes, Jerry always loves to hate me. You know why, though? It's because I fist punched her.
On the way out.
That was the
Where?
wrong thing to say on TikTok. Guess what? It wasn't on purpose.
It was an accident, I swear.
Anthony, did
Hi,
you just
Hamad.
fucking cloud my... Anthony, you are trying to intrigue the right fucking nipple. Listen, bro. You've never seen a puffy nipple like this motherfucker. I know you are, dude. You're waiting for that pink puffy nipple. This bitch is so good, it's pristine. Like, I'm so close to... I just want to lift it up and show you guys so bad.
I'm trying.
I'm saying, Kimmy, right now, that bitch is...
Doctor says no. No, Odin. No.
I'm saying, Kimmy, this bitch is ready to go.
Who, Kathy? I know, man. She's
No,
ready.
my nipple. The nipple's ready to scream and sing.
He
It wants to be a fish. It's a fish. My nipple wants to swim. It wants to swim.
Odin, what are you doing?
I am out of control. That's what I'm doing. All right, Kimmy, I'll calm down. I'll woozah.
13
Shoe shirt always wins. Why? No, I don't
Yeah,
believe Shoe shirt. Already, Kimmy told me about you. Oh, I just farted just because I was so comfortable about what she told me.
We are so glad you can feel comfortable around
Thank you for
us.
sharing.
Well, absolutely. The fart flowed freely. What did you say? What?
I was repeating what you said.
Kimmy, I miss you, lady. I'm so happy for you. Like, dude, you're killing some shit, lady.
I'm killing some shit.
You're killing some shit. You're traveling. You're traveling. This lady's been to countries to burp. She's been to fucking countries
Now
to burp.
I'm gonna travel.
Do you know how?
Yes, Melissa. Kimmy is the shit, man. Yeah.
I used to be able to say the ABCs.
Brittany, I can't hear you.
All right, I'll shut up.
Yeah, it's his fault.
You know how much of a feat it's gonna be for me to call my mom and be like, "Mom, I'm at the Guinness World Record for burpers," and she's gonna be like, "Nothing." We have talked about you.
Do they have to pay you monthly?
I love it.
What, you got a dog?
No, Jeff, not at all, bro.
She's got a dog.
Yes, I love it.
Shit.
Yes.
You are the shizit.
Yes.
Do you guys know Trailer Trash Tammy?
Yes.
Comedian? She mentioned me on her podcast.
Did she?
Yeah,
I
the
love her.
viral podcast episode 110.
I think, listen, Kimmy, the one video I was impressed with was Howie Mandel's response. He burped Howie Mandel's fucking name, and then he responded to it.
Yeah. You go to his TikTok, I'm there. I'm on it. He duetted my TikTok.
I love it.
It was
I am
amazing.
honored.
Celebrity.
I am honored to meet you, Kimycola.
Oh, thank you guys. You guys are so sweet. I'm having so much
No,
fun.
Kimmy, they're fucking amazing. Like, I've been fucking with these guys for like 35 days, I think.
I don't know how they put up with you.
He's kept
I
track
don't
of
know how
the
you put up with
days.
me. I don't know how you put up with me. That's the only reason he keeps.
You're getting better. You're getting better. Drink some more. Drink some more.
Literally. Everybody. Kimmy, yeah. Yeah, that was like, no, I've known Kimmy for a while. Like, that was last year sometime.
Old news. Before I broke the record, I was like, oh,
Before.
I'm breaking this record, bro. I'm going
I was
in
so
there, I'm gonna
excited
crush
for
this
you
shit.
when you did it.
Where
I like
was
the video where
contest?
you geared up for it. You're like, listen, bitch, I ain't done.
Yes.
It's fun. It's fun.
It is fun.
I bet your mom is so proud.
yeah. No, everyone loves it. We all have fun with it. We all laugh.
I'm serious. I mean, I've met the lady that had the longest fingernails. The Guinness World. Disgusting. How do you wipe your ass?
Yeah, I know, Kathy. I don't know either.
How do you do anything? I mean, they were like... Yeah, she has to hire people to do that kind of stuff, you know.
Did you say a hollow peeper?
Yeah,
Hire people.
hollow peepers.
Oh.
So the only way I think about a hollow peeper is if you took one of those apple cores and put it through a penis.
Huh?
Fuck. That's a lot.
No, you could use a toilet paper roll.
Oh. God damn. That's a lot.
You guys are wild, bro.
There you go.
Kathy's on one, bro. I love
We've fallen off the tacos.
Are you
Taco
like the
stand.
Nana? You like Nana?
No, it's Kimmy's fault. It's Kimmy's. It's because she's too
You
famous.
can call me Nana.
I'm not too famous.
I have a common zero.
You're too fucking famous, Kimmy.
I didn't do it on purpose.
It doesn't matter.
It was
It
an
doesn't matter.
accident.
I'm loving seeing your face, lady.
We knew her well.
Thank you, Odin. It was nice meeting you, Brittany and Kathy. I'm gonna
Nice meeting
go.
you too.
I'll see you again.
Anytime, and we'll burp together.
Yes, Kathy.
I know, Melissa.
Yes.
Your words,
I'm
your
70
words,
years
Melissa,
old,
are the
but I'll give you a
sippers.
run
The
for your
sipper
money.
words.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Good night.
Kimmy, I love you, lady.
Love you, Odin. Kathy, I know. That was a babe, bro. Kathy's a babe. I'm gonna go live with her tomorrow. I'm gonna have some burp competitions with Kathy. Alright, y'all. I'm out of here. Shushar, you're freaking crazy, bro. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you.